Hey guys, it's Livia, and I'm really excited. I got something, and I usually am not super great at doing like the whole unboxing thing, but I thought today would be really fun because I'm excited about it, and hopefully you guys will be as excited as I am. This is my doTERRA package. I believe it's my convention kit. If it's not, I guess then we'll just scrap the video and not publish it. Anyways, so here we go. It looks like a convention kit, and here's the box. Oops. Inside it, we have a thing for Pursue Connection. 10% off Serenity this month. Awesome. Okay, here's about Healing Hands. Since 2015, doTERRA Healing Hands Foundation has donated $6,783,000 to fight against human trafficking worldwide. I love that. That's one of the main reasons that I love doTERRA is how much they give back, how much they're all about empowering and helping people every step of the way. And watching the convention was so amazing for me and so good for my heart to see all the good that they're doing in the world through co-impact sourcing and through their partner projects and being able to help with trafficking and all the other things that are going on. Giving clean water and building hospitals and schools and all the goods. Okay, here's our little kit. And that's all in the box. It's one down. Pursue what is pure. I love that. That's what doTERRA stands for. Purity. Okay. Nice little cutter here. I'll scoot this back so you can see. There we go. My little table. There we go. Pursue what's pure. I love the boxes. Their boxes are so pretty. Okay. On Guard new whitening toothpaste. I'm really excited about this one. Really excited. Oh. They had a whole thing. Okay, listen. On Guard natural whitening toothpaste, fluoride free, provides protective benefits of doTERRA On Guard essential oil, reducing plaque, whitening teeth with a gentle polishing agents. Unique cinnamon flavor with xylitol leaves your breath and your toothbrush clean and fresh. Okay, I'm really excited. I'm just gonna taste it. Oh, it's whitening and remineralizing, which is super cool because it strengthens your teeth and helps them to actually build back the stuff that breaks off of them. And I'm so excited about this one. See? Ooh, it smells good. I'm just gonna eat part of it. Tastes good too. Yay, I'm really excited for that one. Yay! On Guard Cinnamon Toothpaste. There you go. New product one, On Guard Cinnamon Toothpaste. There we go. Okay, put that there. Nope, not gonna stay. Okay, next up, we have a Balanced Bath Bar. doTERRA Spa Balanced Bath Bar. This is my first reactions to seeing, smelling all the stuff. I love their soaps. They smell so good. No different. Still is awesome, but in balance, love my balance. Balanced Bath Bar. There we go. So what's next? We've got our On Guard hand wipes for those who want to sanitize on the go. They come in these nifty little packages where you can just keep them in your purse to sanitize your grocery cart or your hands or wherever you're at. I'm not going to open that because I don't need it right now and I don't want to waste it. So we'll save that right there. We have Davana. Davana new oil blend. I believe, is this the one that was the, and then we have Helichrysum. Helichrysum touch. Oh my God. I love my Helichrysum. This stuff stops bleeding in like 35 seconds. It's awesome. I had one son who, when he was 2, he fell on a trampoline pipe and gashed his chin, like whole part of it, like the fat chunks were coming out. He's 2. And I just barely got Helichrysum for the first time. And I put it on there and it stopped so fast. It stopped the bleeding. We didn't end up having to go to the hospital. We had a doctor that was nearby. So he stitched it up for us. And then I used Helichrysum continually on it, and it healed up so fast that it actually started healing over the stitches, which is super cool. And then I just used clove to numb it, and then Purify to make sure it was clean. And I pulled out the stitches while he was asleep. And Helichrysum is so good for any kind of a bloody anything. The other day, I accidentally chopped off the end of my finger. Not like all the way. Where'd it go? You can see it right there. Like, it's just barely there, but I was cutting a tomato with a sharp knife at my mother-in-law's house, and I cut off the end of my finger, and there was like a big flap of skin hanging off, and I put the helichrysum on it, and I just held it, and it stopped bleeding so fast. So I'm really excited that it comes in a touch, because helichrysum is one of the most expensive oils because it's so difficult to get it, but it's so pure and it's so powerful, and I love this. So I'm grateful that it comes in a touch. Now it's a little bit more economical for everyone to be able to get it in their home, and it's super powerful. And with all the crazy stuff going on in the world, I keep helichrysum in my purse at all times, because if you have a helichrysum and someone gets hurt where you're at, you can help them, and you might even save a life, and that's pretty cool. Okay, so doTERRA, this one, I believe this is the perfume one they were talking about, and how that it smells different on each person. So let's see. It smells kind of berryish to me, like a, can't even explain it. It's almost, yeah, almost like fresh berries you just picked off of a branch, but then there's other stuff in it too. I mean, interesting. If anyone's near me and you want to try this, come on over and we'll try it on you, and you can see what scent it gives you, because it works differently with your chemistry and everybody gets a slightly different scent. Super cool. Okay, what we got in here? Dun, 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 dun. Oh, did I show you that one? This is doTERRA. Focusing. Okay, doTERRA. Awesome. Okay, and we've got Bergamot Mint. New oil blend of Bergamot Mint. Let's give that one a try. That one I'm not sure is my favorite. I'm not sure this is a normal one that's always there either. I think it's a convention special. This is just in the convention kit. It is bergamot-y, little undertones of mint. It's very interesting to see what happens, if it'll smell more minty to me next time, because it does kind of shift with your body, how it's doing. And then Tulsi, which is a holy basil. And that's this one. Tulsi. It's a very interesting smell as well. Kind of basil-y. Not sure if my fingers still have the doTERRA on them. It's good. It's different smell. So that was an interesting one. Then we have, oh cool, that's awesome. Look, this is awesome. Okay, little tiny thing makes a huge difference. All the sticker charts never have the new oils on them, but look, now they give me stickers just for the new ones that I've got. So I have a sticker for them. Love that. So thank you, doTERRA, for a bonus. Cute box, inside of the cute box. Okay, and then this is the Mind and Mood Kit. So doTERRA has this brand new thing, and they announced it at the convention. It's super awesome. So this is Kit 1, Mind and Mood Kit 1. You can purchase these on a subscription, or it's a 3-month subscription, and you get Kit 1, Kit 2, Kit 3. And there is one for immunity, one for relief, and one for mind and mood. So the Mind and Mood Kit is the one that came in here, and it comes in this cute little neoprene, is it neoprene? I think it is. Neoprene bag with a really heavy duty zipper on it. Makes it super cool. So let's see what's inside there. Packing material. And a balanced deodorant, travel size. I love my balanced deodorant. I think I'm almost out of it on the one that I've got, but I love it. It smells so good. So, I know, I wish I had smell-o-vision. Don't you wish you had smell-o-vision sometimes? I'd be like, hey guys, you can smell this. For some reason, my squeak, squeak, squeak. Squeak, squeak, squeak. Come on. It's stuck on tight today. Oh, it's coming. There we go. Balance. Love Balance. Okay, Balance travel size deodorant in your convention kit. I believe you can still get convention kits if you go to pursue2020.doterra.com. Okay, adaptive calming blend. This is super awesome for mental health. Just when the stress and everything going on in the world, it just kind of helps bring you down and helps you feel awesome. Okay. And then we have the adaptive roll-on, where you can put the adaptive on your skin, on your feet. You can breathe it in, and it can just help bring you back down when you feel like you're kind of flighty, or you feel like things are just getting really heavy on you and you need to release those. And then there's Balance, which is your grounding blend. that helps to just help everything go. You can actually YouTube search Dr. Hill balance experiment or something like that. And it talks about how he was traveling and eating nasty like travel food all this time, and he did an experiment and they took his blood draw and they looked at it and all of his blood cells were like this, and they're like all crammed together, right? And then they took 1 drop of balance, or 1 or 2, and they put it on the bottom of his feet, and like 30 seconds or a minute later or something, they did another blood draw and his blood cells were flowing freely. It was so cool, because when your cells are flowing freely, then the oxygen can get to them and your whole body works better and you feel better. So not just grounding, but helps with oxygenation in your blood. Super awesome. So here's my table o mess, and I'm dropping stuff. I don't even know what happened. Oh, that was my headset. Table o mess. Here we go. We got On Guard toothpaste, On Guard cleansing wipes. We have our Balanced Bath Bar, our Divana, and our Helichrysum Touch. We've got Bergamot Mint and Tulsi. And then we have our Mind and Mood Kit, complete with adaptive capsules, the adaptive roll-on, the Balanced Bath Bar, or the Balanced Deodorant, and the Balanced Oil. Super awesome. The idea behind these kits, I'm gonna come closer to like, breaking my table. That was fun. Okay, adventure, the joys of recording something live, right? Okay, so the awesome thing about these kits is, one, you can just kind of keep it all together. And you're like, okay, I have 100 and whatever oils. If you have a whole bunch, if you've been in doTERRA for a while, you've got all these oils, and it's like, okay, which one do I need right now? And sometimes you don't always feel like you're up for finding what it is. And if you're like, hey, this is my mood kit. I've got my mood kit. I'll just grab this out of the drawer. And if I use what's in my mood kit, it's going to help me when I need a boost in mood. And if I'm feeling yucky and sick, and I grab my immunity kit and I can use what's in my immunity kit, and it's going to help. And if I am having this pain and my muscles hurt and I need relief, then I'm going to grab my relief kit and I'm going to use what's in there. And it's going to make it super, super easy, especially if you have family and friends, or if you're brand new to doTERRA and you're trying to learn how to use your essential oils and you're like, oh my gosh, there's so much to learn. This makes it super, super easy. And then, so for 3 months, they'll send you mood 1, mood 2, mood 3, and then you can choose a different one. You could subscribe to all 3 at the same time. You can do 1 at a time. It's so cool. I'm really excited for all the things that they have provided for us and how simple doTERRA is making it, that we can get what we need and have the tools at our fingertips to help our families, especially at this time in the world. So please share with your friends. And if anyone is interested in a free consultation, if you don't have a doTERRA rep or you're new to all this and you want to learn more and you're just like, hey, let me learn, then reach out to me. I'll put my link in the comments where you can book a free call, and we'll talk about oils and we'll talk about how it can possibly help your family. It might be the solution that you're looking for. Hey, thank you very much. I am grateful for you, and I am excited to use my toothpaste. This is probably my most exciting one, just because I love the toothpaste. And it's an everyday thing. It's an everyday, twice a day. Use it all the time. The other stuff I use it like when I need it. Oh, maybe the Balanced Bath Bar too. I was a shower every day, right? But to be able to have the thing, and it just brings this little bit of joy. And when you wake up in the morning and you brush your teeth with cinnamon toothpaste, one thing, your orange juice doesn't taste nasty because you have toothpaste mixed with it. And I have just loved my doTERRA toothpaste, and it helps my teeth be white, and it's beautiful. And I love it. So thank you for joining me in this grand reveal of all the convention kit stuff and my giant pile. I'm not even going to pick it up again because I'll drop it. But thank you for joining me on this doTERRA convention kit opening party online, and I will see you later. Bye. If I can find my mouse. There it is. Okay, have a great day.